Welcome to everybody to a small engine repair. Well, I specialize in 2 cycles in this kind of repair, and today we are going to talk about the primer ball. Well, this is very important for a lot of people. I just got replaced this one probably last week. Can you see it there? Well, this is very important. What does a primer ball does? Well, the primer ball, what it does, it moves the fuel through the carburetor. Every motor, when they are cold, like a 2-cycle motor here, very important. What these 2-cycle motors, they use the majority of the carburetors. They use a primer ball, and they need more fuel than gaps. More fuel than air to start. That's how they are. What it is what it is. It's how they operate. They need more fuel than air to start, and the primer ball does the job. From time to time, you will have to replace these primer balls because they crack, they get rotten, or they get too soft, and you have to replace them. To do it is very simple. You just take these 4 screws out, and then you put the new primer ball and tighten the screws back. It's not too much to do it. And today, this short video, that's why I'm taking my time to talk about these primer valves. I'm going to show you. Right quick something very important. Okay, I got here a carburetor right here, that one, and I'm going to change the primer valve. I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to put a brand new so you can see how easy it is to do this. Ready? You can use a power drill. Go to the left. Or if you don't have a power drill, what you can do too is very simple here. You can use a screwdriver. You can do it by hand. You take the old one out. Let me see. And you get a new one, put it on. You always tie to the right. You start when the screw stops, and you tighten it finally by hands, so you do not over tie. I got experience. I know how much to tie without damage the carburetor, and that's ready. As simple as that. It's not too much to do it. Just remember, the primer valves in a small engine, 2 cycles small engines, you have to change them from time to time. Well, hopefully my video was good to you. And I want to say hi people to Australia, to New Zealand, Hong Kong, and all the countries where English, where they speak English. I hope they like my videos. I will be starting uploading a lot of videos how to do repairs in 2 cycles, rebuild them, put in engines, put in rings, pistons, cylinders, changing blades, all kind of repairs in 2 cycles. Well, have a wonderful day. Don't forget to give me a like, likes, give me likes, subscribe, do comments, and don't forget to have the lamp on. I see you in the next video. Bye.